Hey guys, so today I wanted to review my new iPad A16. I love it, guys. The screen is huge, way bigger than the older versions. I absolutely love it. It also has Touch ID, so now you don't even have to put in the code. You can just put your fingerprint in like this. It's gonna open it up. Very easy, super fast, very functional. It does the basic stuff. I have all of my apps there. It's like your regular iPad. It's just more cheaper. I don't know if I can say this in the video, but it's more cheaper and it has the same function. So if you just wanted to watch movies like I do, it's perfect. These are the speakers. This is the turn on, turn off button. And then we have USB-C port for your charger, more speakers. And yeah, it's big. This is the back too. So this is the back, the camera. My little nephew loves taking pictures with this. Let me show you one of the pictures that he took so you can see how the quality looks. All right, guys, look at that quality. That's one of his pictures. Another one of his pictures. The quality, amazing, just like in your phone. But anyways, guys, I don't really have much to say except I loved this iPad. So if you're looking for a good iPad where it's not super expensive, I would definitely recommend this one.